Welcome back, and let's get started. But one thing is for sure, guys, she can represent India in long jump. Anyway, in any Indian traditional marriage, girls do cry a lot. But what is this? Enough of crying. Watch this dude now. This lady must be wondering,
ये अभी इतना excited है, first night को क्या करेगा?
and that's why they're shaking hands in the end.
It was nice meeting you.
And how can we forget भाई के बहन की शादी?
कटरीना कैफ कपूर
Sorry for the interruption, but you should watch this scene from that movie.
अपनी दोस्त को मुझसे नहीं मिलाएगा।
हाँ जेनी सलमान खान।
अबे तो ऐसे डर डर के मिला रहा है जैसे कि तू मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को अपनी बता रहा है।
भाई का सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर देखा एकदम किलिंग.
ये मेरा बहुत प्यारा दोस्त है। ऐसे दोस्त बहुत कम मिलते हैं। इसे खोना नहीं।
भाई वही तो कर रही है.
इसीलिए भाई ने दिल से शुक्रिया अदा किया.
दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं आपका.
And now this is the perfect picture of emotional disorder. Natural click.
Good morning. Myself Riddhima and I am looking for a suitable groom who will never call me any pet name.
I know that was mean. Okay, listen to her now.
That calling me any pet name means forgetting me and giving me a different personality.
Yes, she's right. She has a strong personality. Okay, especially ladies. This guy will give you a heart attack.
But I am very innocent. I am still looking to marry once again.
It's very important that your name should represent your personality. And she is a perfect example of that.
Myself Jwala and my friends say I'm very hot.
Okay, so we know her name is Jwala and she's hot. And she's looking for a cool guy.
But my husband should be very cool.
But this is a very weird type of demand.
He should not have microwave at home.
But she'll impress you by her email ID.
Mail cool photograph to hotjwala@com.
You know who is the biggest Kamina on this planet? The one who uploaded their videos.
He should never call me Teddy, Kitty, Dolly because I am not going to play with him.
You know the reason why they are fighting? Because they did not get food in the wedding. And now, it's a perfect example of food sharing. And he's so proud of it. Check out his face. What a food-loving couple.
For over 10 years, he refused to marry her when she
Everybody's so happy except him.
was done to love me, and they
And just look at her face.
stepped back and he
And she reminds me of someone else. He's so serious. And now look at the face of this guy. Now let's add some drama into it. Okay guys, now change the situation. You can't call this a marriage. It's a team effort. And now meet the most cleverest lady on earth.
He's a dog.
लोग शादी के बाद कुत्ते बनते हैं. इसने कुत्ते से ही शादी कर ली. And once again change the situation. So finally you got one more reason to read this book. And yeah, this one, it's not a marriage, it's a puzzle. Yes, you have to find the groom in this picture. And yes, he is here. And yeah, it's a love story.
कुमार में मैं काम करती थी, वहाँ हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी.
I salute the confidence of this lady.
क्या इनका कद कम है तो ये मेरी लुक आफ्टर नहीं कर सकते?
I know you have seen this video, but can you predict his next move? No, right? That's why he's a legend. And yeah, these types of special performances you can find only at Indian weddings. You know, this is all bullshit. Finally, we found a great dancer जिसको music की थोड़ी समझ है. Thank you so much for watching the show, guys. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. Thank you so much for sending us all those videos. Keep doing that. You can join us also. Weddings and all these things are so beautiful. पर किसी का कभी दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए. Now listen to her and try to understand her pain.
यानी मेरे को दिखाता है कि मेरा बहुत भुगला चेहरा है, मैं दुनिया का सबसे ऑनेस्ट लड़का हूँ. He's a bitch of a son.
Sorry?
He's a bitch of a son.